Detailed explanation of the video from a management perspective in an engineering college setting. Graduation cap image title. Department-wise academic performance vs AI forecast. Placement distribution by department. Author, Pradeep K. Suri, researcher and AI/ML architect. Brain what the image shows. This image is divided into two key dashboards, each valuable to college administrators, department heads, placement officers, and ISO 21001 compliance teams. Bar chart 1. Top chart, academic performance vs AI forecast. Play button x-axis, departments. Computer, mechanical, electrical, civil, electronics, AI/ML. Play button y-axis, average academic score, out of 100. Play button bar chart, blue. Shows the actual average academic scores of students in each department. Useful for benchmarking academic quality across departments. Play button line chart, red. Shows AI forecasted scores based on historical data, learning pace, attendance, etc. Highlights potential and helps identify where departments may underperform vs their potential. Pushpin management insights from academic graph. Department actual score AI forecast insight. Computer 82-85 slight improvement potential. Mechanical 76-78 needs moderate uplift. Electrical 78-81 AI expects slight growth. Civil 74-76 lower performing, needs review. Electronics 80-83 stable, minor gap. AI/ML 88-92 top performer, leadership area. White heavy checkmark actions. Targeted academic interventions in civil and mechanical departments. Share AI/ML best practices with other departments. Direct hit to. Bottom chart, placement distribution by department, donut pie chart. Play button slices, departments. Proportional to the placement success rate. Play button purpose. Show which departments are leading in job placements. Identify where the training and placement, TNP, cell needs to strengthen employer outreach or student readiness. Pushpin management insights from placement chart. AI/ML and computer departments contribute the most to placements, 17.3% and 18.3%. Civil has the lowest contribution, 15.4%, a flag for possible industry alignment gaps. White heavy checkmark actions. Conduct placement training programs in lower performing departments. Enhance industry connections in civil and mechanical streams. Puzzle piece strategic use for ISO 21001 and accreditation. Area how management can use the data. Quality monitoring track department-wise academic plus placement health. Resource allocation focus training resources where gaps are evident. Policy decision making set improvement targets aligned with forecast insights. Reporting to NAAC/NBA use visuals in SSR, AQAR, and ISO 21001 audits. Parent/stakeholder reports display student outcome performance in annual reviews. Chart increasing future enhancements. Add faculty teaching score overlay. Integrate live placement count, real-time. AI-based prediction of NAAC/NBA scoring trends. Thank you.